Hidden underneath this dense forest in Barangay Matalang Taling, Arroy Masbate is a beauty of nature. The Lumaklak Waterfalls. With its pristine and cold water, you can't resist taking a dip and bask in the enchanting atmosphere that only a waterfall can conjure. But how do you reach this beautiful water haven? This waterfall is part of a vast private property of the Mirastilas in Arroy Masbate. To get here, you need to seek permission first from property custodians. From the port of Arroy, you hire a small boat to sail 6 kilometers across Port Barrera to reach the swampy shore, which is the nearest starting point of the 370-meter uphill trek to the falls. We opted to start our trip on a beach house. It was low tide, and we waded on a muddy and slippery swamp to reach our small boat. You need a guide to bring you to the falls. When we entered the forest, I got left behind and almost got lost in this trail. I used the sound of the cascading river to guide me back to the right path. I was so relieved to finally set foot on the river bank and got sight of the first major part of the falls, the part where the river bed is deepest, and the favorite spot for younger people because they can dive high up from the edge of spillway into the plum pool. Just up ahead is the major waterfalls. The sight of the falls is really breathtaking. Unfortunately, locals have desecrated the place. Name graffiti are deeply gouged on the beautiful stones that made up the spillways. Summer months would dry up the river, and it was during those times when the spillways are dried up and exposed that local vandals did their crime against this beautiful work of nature. Aside from the graffiti, locals who visited the place for free would leave their plastic garbage behind. Hopefully, controlled and stricter access will be implemented in the future to protect and preserve the natural beauty of this falls. We did not bring our food to the falls, so on our way home after that glorious swim, we had our lunch on this floating cottage in the middle of the sea. This serves as a guard post over a marine protected area in the place. Underneath this floating cottage lies a large coral reef teeming with rich marine life that needs protection from dynamite fishers. The trip to Lumaklak Falls was indeed a worthy experience for us. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested to visit the place, just comment below. I will be happy to respond to queries and assist anyone needing it.